In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an object in Excel 365. Mastering this feature can significantly enhance your spreadsheets by integrating external files directly into your workbooks. Whether it's embedding a PDF, a Word document, or any other type of file you might need to reference or make accessible through your Excel file. Let's begin by opening your Excel workbook. For this demonstration, we'll use a sample file, just to keep things easy to follow. Imagine you've got a comprehensive spreadsheet and you want to include a related document directly into your workbook, making it easily accessible for review without the need to navigate away from Excel. Once you have your Excel file open, look towards the ribbon at the top of the window. You'll want to navigate to the Insert tab. The Insert ribbon is laden with options, but for today's purpose, we are interested in one particular feature, the Object button. Clicking on this will usher us to the next step of our process. After clicking on Object, a dialog box will pop up. This is where you get to choose the kind of object you want to insert. There are two tabs here, but we'll focus on creating from a file. For that, you might see an option labeled Create from File. Go ahead and select that because this is where the magic happens. Within this area, you'll get the opportunity to browse through your computer to locate the file you wish to embed into your Excel workbook. Once you hit the Browse button, navigate through your file system to find the file you want to embed. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, or even a presentation that supports your data. Select the file and click Insert once you've located it. But before you proceed to the next step, there's an option you should consider: Display as Icon. Checking this box will display the embedded file as an icon within your spreadsheet, rather than embedding its contents or first page into your worksheet. It creates a neater look and makes it evident that it's an object embedded, ready to be opened with just a double click. Choosing to display your file as an icon also gives you the flexibility to change the icon's caption, meaning you can rename it to something more descriptive or fitting to the context of your Excel workbook. This can be particularly helpful when dealing with multiple objects, or if the original file name isn't very descriptive of the content or its purpose within your Excel sheet. After you've made your selections, hit OK, and the object will be embedded into your spreadsheet. You can then move and size the icon as you see fit, placing it in the most logical spot for easy access. Remember, anyone who accesses this workbook will now be able to double-click on the icon and open the embedded file, provided they have the necessary software installed on their computer to view the file type. And just like that, you've mastered the art of inserting objects into your Excel 365 spreadsheets. This feature can dramatically increase the depth of your projects, linking all related documents in one place for easy review. Whether you're working on a detailed report that references external sources, or just trying to keep all related files together within a single workbook, embedding objects like this can be a real game changer. So take this knowledge and experiment with it. The possibilities are nearly limitless and can elevate the functionality and complexity of your Excel workbooks to new heights. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Now go forth and embed to your heart's content.